Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So I'm going to share the secrets of creating a successful Facebook ads campaign that get results. So I'm going to take you step by step through the process of targeting, crafting compelling ad copy, using visually appealing images and videos, optimizing for mobile, and A/B testing to make sure that your ads are performing at their very best. So subscribe now and never miss a video. Let us dive right in. So I think creating a successful Facebook ads involves several key elements. The first one is defining your target audience. Clearly identify who you want to reach with your ad. That's going to help you to create more effective and relevant content. By clearly identifying who you want to reach with your ad, you can also create more effective and relevant content that will resonate with your audience. One way to define your audience is by using Facebook's Audience Insights tool. That will allow you to gather demographic information about your audience like age, location, and interests. You can also use it to identify the behavior, the purchase behavior, and other characteristics of your target audience. So with that information in hand, you can create a buyer persona, which is a detailed profile of your ideal customer. That's going to help you to understand what type of content and messaging that's going to resonate with your audience and increase the chances of them engaging with your ad. The second thing is crafting compelling ad copy. So your ad's text should be clear, concise, and grab the attention of your target audience. That's marketing 101, right? You have to make sure that your ad copy aligns with your overall marketing message and that it speaks directly to your target audience. Think of it like you're talking to your best friend. To write effective ad copy, start by identifying the key benefit of your product or service and highlighting it in your ad. Use active voice and strong action verbs to make your ad copy more engaging and encourage people to take action. Also, make sure to include a clear and compelling call to action that tells people exactly what you want them to do next. Whether it's visit your website, sign up for a free trial, or make a purchase, keep in mind, people are scrolling quickly through their Facebook feeds, so make sure that your ad copy is short, sweet, and straight to the point. The third thing is to use visually appealing images or videos. So add content that is easy on the eyes, is more likely to be viewed and shared. So visual content is processed 60,000 times faster than text. So it's essential to make sure that the images or videos that you use in your ads are high quality and relevant to your message you're trying to convey. When selecting images or videos for your ads, keep in mind, it should be relevant to your ad copy and your target audience. Also make sure to use images or videos with bright colors, high resolution, and that are easy to understand. If you're using a video, make sure it's short and to the point. People usually don't watch long videos on social media, except YouTube. So also make sure the video is optimized for mobile devices as people access their Facebook on their phones all the time. So when using visually appealing images or videos in your Facebook ads, that can help you to increase engagement and basically make your ad like way more memorable. The fourth part is optimizing for mobile. So with the majority of Facebook users accessing the platform on mobile devices, you have to make sure that your ad looks great and functions well on the smaller screens. That means it's crucial to ensure that you make it for the iPhone or Android, whichever one. Making sure that the text and images in your ad are easy to read and that the buttons and links in your ad are easy to click on mobile. It's very vital to the success. So when creating mobile optimized ads, consider the aspect ratio of the images and the videos that you use. Facebook recommends using 1.91 to 1 as the aspect ratio with videos, with a 9 to 16 aspect ratio for videos, That ensures that your ad's going to look great on both desktop and mobile. Also make sure that the text in your ad is large enough to be easily read on a smaller screen and that the call to action buttons are big enough to be easily tapped on mobile. You also want to ensure that the landing page your ad directs to is mobile optimized for the best user experience. All right, the fifth thing is A/B testing. You want to try different ad variations or ad copy, images, and targeting to see what performs best. It also allows you to try different variations of ad copy, images, and targeting because that's the way we should be running campaigns. By testing these different elements of your ads, you can determine which strategies are working and which ones need to be tweaked to improve the results. When conducting A/B testing, it's essential to test one variable at a time. For example, you can test different headlines on your ad or different images to see which one performs better. Also, you can test different targeting options to see which audience segment responds best to your ad. It's important to test your ads with a significant sample size to ensure that your results are statistically significant. Facebook's ad platform provides the option to conduct A/B testing. You can use this feature to test the variation of your ads and then make data-driven decisions to improve their performance. It's also important to note that A/B testing is not a one-time process. You should continue testing and optimizing your ads over time to ensure that they continue to perform well. Definitely, always do it. Sixth thing is properly tracking your campaign performance. You want to use Facebook's ads analytics to monitor the performance of your ads and make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. Always look at your data to make sure you can see what's working. That means you can include metrics like reach, engagement, and conversion rates. By monitoring these metrics, you can determine which ads are performing well and which will need to be tweaked or improved, like keep it going or shut it off. To track your campaign performance, use Facebook's ads analytics to monitor that performance. Look at conversion rate as a primary one. You can also use the tracking pixels to track the performance of the ads on your website. And you can use conversion tracking to see how many people who clicked on your ad ended up making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. With this information in hand, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your ads performance. It's important to check this all the time to make sure the performance of your ads is working and make adjustments as needed. You want to also consider testing different ad formats and different targeting options to see basically what works best. By monitoring and optimizing your ads, you'll be able to improve your results over time, big time. The seventh part is this, continually testing and optimizing your ads. A/B testing, monitor the results and make adjustments as needed. That's going to help improve your results over time. This is all in the testing phase where you're actually trying to see what's going to work and what's not going to work. You're going to want to continually experiment with different elements of your ads. You can determine which strategies are working and which need to be tweaked to improve your results. So when optimizing your ads, it's important to consider both the quantitative and qualitative data. Quantitative data includes metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates. Qualitative data includes feedback from customers and users in the testing. Both types of data can basically provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Additionally, you want to consider testing different ad formats and targeting options to see what works best. And you want to note what works today may not work tomorrow. So it's important to keep an eye on your ads performance. It's not set and forget. Make those adjustments as needed. Facebook's algorithm and users' behavior changes over time. So it's essential to keep up with the changes and to adjust your campaigns accordingly. You want to also consider using tools that automate the optimization process. These tools can help you identify the best performing ads and help you improve them. The eighth part is leveraging the power of retargeting. Retargeting people who had previously interacted with your brand or website can help increase conversion rates big time. It's vital to the success of any campaign. By retargeting these individuals, you can remind them of your brand, encourage them to take a specific action like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Retargeting can be done by installing a tracking pixel on your website, which allows you to track visitors to your website and create a custom audience. You can then create that retargeting campaign that targets that audience with a specific message or offer. Additionally, you can use Facebook's lookalike audience feature, which allows you to target people who are similar to your existing customers. That can help you reach new customers who are likely to be interested in your products or your services. Retargeting campaigns can be very effective, as people who have already interacted with your brand are more likely to convert. Retargeting can help increase the overall effectiveness of your Facebook ads by reminding people of your brand and encouraging them to take action. All right, step 9, use the right call to action. Use a clear and compelling call to action that encourages people to take the next step. A call to action is a button or link that encourages people to take a specific action, like going to your site, signing up for a free trial, or making a purchase. It's important that you're very clear and compelling, and it has to stand out in your ad, and it has to encourage people to take that next step. Without that, what are we doing here, right? When creating a call to action, it's important to consider the goal of your ad. For example, if your goal is to drive website traffic, your call to action should be learn more or visit our website. If your goal is to generate leads, your call to action should be sign up or download now. Make sure that your call to action is prominently displayed in your ad and that the text is clear and easy to understand. Also, consider using different call to actions for different stages of the customer journey. For example, you can use a different call to action for people who have never interacted with your brand before and for people who have already interacted with your brand. They can be two different things. Additionally, consider using the call to action button provided by Facebook, as it's been shown to increase the click-through rates. Also, test different call to actions to see which one performs better. All right, the 10th and maybe the most important tip is this: have patience and consistency. Facebook ads take time to optimize. Be consistent with your ad campaigns and have patience. It's not a one instant and done thing, it's a marathon. It takes time to test different strategies and find what works best for your business. So creating a consistent ad campaign also means sticking to a specific message and brand voice. This will help you build a strong relationship with your target audience and increase brand recognition. Also, it means committing to a budget and ad schedule that allows you to test different strategies and gather enough data to make informed decisions. It's also important to have patience when it comes to tracking your performance of your ads. It's essential to give your ads enough time to run before making any adjustments. You got to keep in mind that Facebook's algorithm takes time to optimize your ads for the best performance. Also, don't be discouraged if your ads don't perform well at first. Every business is different and it may take time to find the right approach that works for you. Continual testing, monitoring, and adjusting your ads will help you achieve the best results in the long term. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and learning the secrets to creating successful Facebook ads that get results. Remember to define your target audience, craft compelling copy, use visually appealing images or videos, optimize for mobile, A/B test, track your campaign performance, continually test and optimize your ads, leverage the power of retargeting, use the right call to action, and have patience and consistency. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on creating successful Facebook ads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.